fabulous end unit with glorious vaulted ceilings. Feel the open airy floor plan the moment you enter. Huge living room flooded with natural light. Great dining room open to the kitchen with loads of cabinets, all appliances, subway tile backsplash and serving bar. New Thermo Windows. Fantastic finished walkout lower level ideal for family room, extra bedroom or man cave. Relax on your balcony or head on over to enjoy swimming with your friends. Enjoy your own private fenced mini yard. You never have to leave home. You enjoy indoor-outdoor pool, clubhouse. Close to major highways, shopping, dining and entertainment.